Growing up, we would usually go to Tacloban City for consultations and do laboratory tests every time we get sick. We wanted people from nearby towns to experience a more accessible yet with a good quality care facility that we would enable them to do laboratory workshops in the comfort of their own hometown or our neighboring town. Siring pa man, di rin na mahilayo pa. Our clinic is built from love, compassion, and faith in God. We did not just put this diagnostic center for business alone. We were driven by passion to help other people and make our patients get the service they deserve.
Our management is composed mainly of healthcare, providing individuals who are competent and equipped enough to manage the diagnostic center. Any up-to-date advancement in medicine, conferences, lay forums, and round-the-table discussions are duly complied. With this, the quality of our care is assured to be improved as well.
We are unique in such a way that we always strive to provide good quality care to our patients. Diri kami aaling ka syudad, pero maupay ang among sa bisyo.